I come home with more than $350 a week. If you're a type of person, maybe your background is messed up and people won't hire you, this is perfect for you.
Even I got another customer play about y'all.
What's the plan?
What's the problem?
The problem is I'm tired of these motherfucking jobs. Wait. It's all we got.
Roll with me. Roll with me. Roll with me. Yeah.
Guys,
Go with me.
Hi guys, I'm Lovey and welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 7 lit ass side hustles that you can start today. Number 1, we have Uber Eats. Now this is a disclaimer. Uber Eats is not so background friendly. However, I do love them. Now the reason why I love Uber Eats is that you can work all night long, all day long, all morning long. You can work all day long and come home with $150 a day. Number 2 is Postmates. Now, guys, Postmates is my baby. I literally love Postmates. And you know why I love Postmates? Is because I don't have to work all day long. Now, who wants to work all day long? I don't. Now, the thing I love about Postmates is that you can work Postmates up to 4 to 5 hours and come home with up to $50 to $70 a day. If you do that every day, you guys do the math, that's how much you'll come home with. Also, what I like about Postmates too, that's really dope, is that not only do you get to pick up items from a restaurant, you also get to pick up items from Walgreens, from different stores. You get to pick up some weird stuff, some cool stuff. Number 3 is DoorDash, guys. I have never personally worked DoorDash, but
hi guys, so I'm just updating this video. I have worked DoorDash, and you definitely it's way better than Postmates. Way better than Uber. You don't have to work as much hours. You do get anywhere from $7 to $12 an hour, but you need to work during dinner rush or during lunch rush, which is 12 to 2 or 5 to 9.
DoorDash is just like Postmates and Uber Eats. You're basically just picking up food for people and dropping it off. Now, the thing that I did hear about DoorDash is that for the delivery, you do get paid up to $7 to $12, which is amazing. Number 4 is Instacart. Now, Instacart is basically, think about it, you got a cart, you go grocery shopping for somebody, you put items in a grocery basket, and then you drop it off to them. Each trip you get paid up to $20 to $30. I know a lot of people that have done it. I signed up for it myself. I just actually haven't started yet just because I've just been so busy doing everything else. And number 5, we have Amazon shopper / delivery driver. Now the only thing with this job is that it's no smoking. Like, you guys, if you smoke, you won't be able to do this job. Shopper, so basically same thing like Instacart. You go into the supermarket, you pick up bacon, eggs, deli meat, whatever for people. You drop it off at their house. Now we have Amazon delivery driver. Now if you ever wonder, how do my packages come to me? That's how, because somebody will deliver your package. It might just be a regular person. So you can work with Amazon as a delivery driver, as an independent contractor. That's so cool. I have Amazon Prime. Like, wait, they have jobs that you could do for Amazon. They have a whole bunch of other jobs listed too that you could do. Number 6, we have UPS driver helper. UPS driver helper, seasonally / UPS working in the warehouse part-time. Now with UPS, like I said, it's only seasonally, meaning you can only work from November to December. But the great thing about it, guys, is that you literally in a month can come home with like $4,000 in a month, just because they need so much people during the Christmas time to deliver all these packages that they have. Also work in UPS. If you like working as a driver helper, you're really good with packages, you can work in a warehouse. But like I said, if your background messed up, you really can't do working with UPS as working in the warehouse, but you can work with as a driver helper. But just be careful, guys. Just working with after the season, you can still apply, but if your background's messed up, just be mindful that you might get the job or you might not get the job. Okay. 7, we have a peer mentor. Now I worked as a peer mentor before. I love it. I love helping our younger generation. Now I think this job is really good. Like, if you, I'm be real, like if you ever been locked up before, or you have a lot of experience that you want to share with younger people to try to deter them from going down that road that you went to, I think it's great. I think it's great to give back to the community, working with our younger youth between the ages from you can say from maybe 8 to 24 or 25. These are all people that are on probation, and maybe they have a program they have to go to, and you're just working on with them and helping them with whatever it is that they need help with. So that's a peer mentor. Now you do that part-time, not many hours. Aerotech or a temp agency, they have many different available positions. Now, I'm going to put up information in the description below. Like, oh, just another disclaimer. Most of these jobs you can do all year round. This is why I love these side hustles. UPS driver helper. Only UPS driver helpers, only seasonally. Okay, guys? And another thing I love about these jobs is that you can cash out immediately. Let's say, for example, you want to work today and you say, you know, listen, I need to pay my phone bill. That's $50 or $80. You can literally work today, get the $50 to $80, pay your phone bill, and cash out today, and they'll go directly right into your account. And another thing, guys, just be mindful once you guys do sign up or you guys do get started, if you don't have like a legit bank account, like TD Bank or Chase Bank or Citibank, and you have a Western Union Netspend card for whatever reason, you won't be able to get your money right away. You'll have to do like set up your direct deposit, and you'll get it every 3 days. That's the only thing. But like I said, if you do, most people have a bank account. Most people don't. I really don't know. But if you do have a bank account, awesome, get your money right away. You guys, how much I come home with? I come home with more than $350 a week. You come home with more than that. Come home with as much as you want. You're your own boss. So these side hustles are literally perfect. You can start today, because you know a lot of times I feel like a lot of people try to BS you on, you know, how to get money, the things that you need to do, or some hidden agenda. It's just nonsense. These are legit side hustles that you guys can start today to get money today. If you're a type of person, maybe your background is messed up and people won't hire you, this is perfect for you. If you're the type of person that you just need some extra money on the side like me, this is also perfect for you. If you're just the type of person, you're just not really a people person, you just don't really work well with people, this is a job for you. Now I will explain to you guys, even though most of these jobs are delivery jobs, you don't need transportation. You don't have to have a car to do these jobs. You can have a bicycle, you can have an electric bike, a moped, you can use your car if you want to, you can walk if you want to. And like I said, not all of these jobs are delivery jobs. A few of the jobs you can work in a warehouse, you don't really need a car. But these are the top 7 legit side hustles that you guys can start today. So thank you so much, guys, for allowing me to speak to you. I can't wait to be able to speak to you guys again. All I ask is that you guys subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so when the next video drop, you guys can know. But welcome to Mind and Matter, and thank you so much for me being able to share all this information that I have with you guys. I appreciate it so much. Alright guys, I'm in the car. I'm fucking, oh my god, I'm so tired. Like, I'm so fucking tired. So this video is gonna basically just be like just a quick vlog or whatever. Quick vlog. Let me take my glasses off. I look so fucking hit right now, bro. So just, I don't have any face looks so fucking hit, bro. Hi guys. To my list. I will say that I was really excited.
In 0.1 miles.
Can you keep it like? All right, guys. So I am currently.
Turn right.
Oh, I got the time right. So I'm currently. I'm at the yellow light. So I'm currently. We're in New York. I look fucking crazy. But.
No, you don't. But okay.
I am currently driving right now, so we're about to go pick up some food and then go drop it off. So it's pretty much what I'm doing. So it's pretty much what I do every day. That's pretty much how I fund my business. Yeah, so how you guys doing? How was your day? Was you guys' day okay? I hope it was okay. I don't know if the camera's this way or is it that way. I don't know if it's like here or is it
What are you talking about?
the camera. Like I wanted to look in the camera.
I think it's. Yeah, it's gotta be right here. Oh, it's right here.
Okay. It's right up there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I didn't even know that it was up there. So, but yeah, that's pretty much. Yeah, girl, I'm so tired. One Nigga, I want to talk to your bum. Nigga, I want to talk to your bum ass.
Whoa now. Whoa.
And this is the other full set. Guys, come on.
With me, yeah, you so tipsy, so tipsy. Roll with me, roll with me, roll with me, yeah.